Officials in Lubbock have reported a second child in Texas has died from a measles-related illness. Health officials say the child wasn't vaccinated but was receiving treatment and didn't have any underlying medical conditions. Another unvaccinated child from Lubbock died back in February, which was the first measles death in the United States in more than a decade. Also this weekend, Houston health officials confirmed a measles case in an unvaccinated traveler who passed through Hobby Airport last weekend. Doctors say they're most concerned about people who aren't vaccinated.
The incubation period is between 7 and 21 days after exposure. So that would be as early as today. So what we're asking is for people who were there, who may have been exposed and who have a runny nose and a fever, we'd like for you to call your physician and get instructions on what to do next.
Health officials say the total number of cases reported across the state since February now stands at 480 people.
On Sunday, Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. attended the funeral of a child in Texas who died of measles. He made the trip to Gaines County in West Texas to support the family of 8-year-old Daisy Hillebrand. Kennedy also met with the family of 6-year-old Kaylee Fisher, the other child from Gaines County who passed away in February. Sunday, Secretary Kennedy posted on social media that vaccines are the best protection against measles. RFK's words coming despite his past statements that have been skeptical of vaccines.
Lubbock officials reported a second child in Texas has died from a measles-related illness. Health officials say the school-aged child was not vaccinated and did not have any underlying medical conditions. We're told they were getting treatment but died of measles-related pulmonary failure. This comes after another unvaccinated child from Lubbock died in February. That was the first measles death in the U.S. in about a decade. Health officials say it's important for Texans to take this latest measles death seriously.
I think it really underscores how serious measles is. I think it also underscores the point that there is a way to prevent measles, and that is with a vaccination. And it is unfortunate this child was not vaccinated, but even with no underlying health conditions, it turned to be a real tragedy.
The Texas Department of State Health Services says the total number of cases reported across the state since February has risen to at least 480 people.